Here's a quick tip for finding a bit more of a contemporary sound if you've been classically trained. Find your tilt. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that kind of tilty sound that we get. And we end up kind of really like thinning out the folds. And what we want to do when we start singing some pop music is we want to start kind of like being more on a vertical. And we may then get a bit of a thicker fold connection as well. You know, we're going to get thicker folds. So if you were singing something like, I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. You know, you're not going to want to sing it with tilted. Oh, I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. You know, I'm off the deep end. It's a very different sound. So find your vertical, yeah? Hey, 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 instead of the tilt. Hey. Now, I'm not saying that you would only sing with a vertical thyroid throughout songs. That is not true. As I've said before in other videos, we're on a continuum of changes throughout things. So it's not just about chest voice. It's not like, oh, we need to sing more chesty. It's more about, because we can sing the same pitch and sound like we're in a totally different genre. Yeah? Try it out and see what happens. Open a world of opportunities for sounding more contemporary.